Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to share a Strava activity. First, just go ahead and open Strava app on your phone, and once that it is opened, just go ahead and tap @ button or U icon at the bottom right corner. And from here, just go ahead and click on Activities, and now open the activity that you want to share. So let's say I want to share this particular activity, so I'll just click on it and now scroll down and you will see options for comment and share. Just click on the share icon and wait a moment for the sharing menu to appear. And from here you can choose to download, or you can even copy it to your clipboard, or you can just scroll down to the left-hand side just like so and choose different options to share. So just go ahead and go to the menu and choose the option to your liking. And note that some of the options require a premium. So I'm just going to select a normal one and just click on download or click on more. And here you can share your Strava activity directly to WhatsApp, Gmail, Message, and much more to anywhere. You can also select copy link if you want to manually paste and share the activity link anywhere that you like. So that's basically it. We just learned how to share Strava activity by using the share option and sending the activity link through apps or copied links. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial video.